We're in front of 5550 Big Boat Drive. Today is the 20th of July 2017. My name is George Buddha. I'm the property inspector for the Excalibur home, and I'm gonna run a move out eviction inspection by this property. First thing that I will do, I will run a video tour in exterior. That's the main entry door. At the time I'm going to be done with the exterior, I'm going to come back at the main entry door and I'm going to step in for the second session of move out eviction by this property. All the exterior is in a good condition, no major damage. Yard also, let's look good. Some dirty things on the left side of the patio. That's the back door. Siding, windows, and gutters. All around it's in a good shape. Soffit board also. And I guess from the attic, the dripping, it's kind of a rusty color. Downspout in a good position. The left side also, it's in a good condition too. Drive, the yard, it's in a good condition too. Siding, windows, screen in a good condition. Top level screen, bottom side is bent, I'm sorry. And I would like to take advantage of the garage being open to get that area too. Driveway with a lot of stuff. I forgot to mention, today is 20th of July. We don't have power by this property. We don't have utilities. Stain, spots, a lot of the personal things, garbage laying on the floor, wall stains, walls with multiple scratches, holes. Water heater, electrical panels on the other side. Garage door, it's in a good condition, but no power. Ceiling in a good condition too. Light, no power. Left side, garage door opener, missing the cover. And the right side we have the electrical panel. So we're done with this area, the garage. I'm going to step out and I'm going to continue with the front. And at this time we are back at the main entry door and I'm going to step in for the interior second session of move out process eviction by this property.